Are you frustrated with slow drainage and bad odors from traditional shower drains? Don't worry, today we present to you a game-changing product, the Mondeway shower drain. Whether for daily use or bathroom design, this drain will completely transform your shower experience. The Mondeway shower drain features an innovative design, specially created for modern homes. Its key features include high-efficiency drainage system. The Mondeway drain drains water much faster than traditional models, preventing water from pooling on the bathroom floor. Odor-proof functionality. With its built-in odor prevention design, the Mondeway drain effectively blocks unpleasant smells, ensuring your bathroom stays fresh and clean. Durable and long-lasting. Made from high-quality materials, the Mondeway drain is resistant to corrosion and is built to last, perfect for long-term use. Picture this, you just finished a refreshing shower, and the water quickly drains into the Mondeway drain, with no water left standing on the floor to cause slipping hazards. And even with high humidity in your bathroom, the Mondeway drain's odor-proof function ensures that your bathroom remains smelling fresh. Not only does it enhance bathroom hygiene, but it also adds a modern touch to your home design. The Mondeway shower drain is easy to install, even for DIY enthusiasts. It takes just a few simple steps to complete the installation without needing special tools or professional help, saving you time and money. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Have any questions or want more home renovation tips? Let us know in the comments below.